In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail ID or Google account name quickly and easily, whether you're updating your name due to a life change, a personal preference, or just want a fresh digital identity. I'll guide you step by step so the process is simple and stress-free. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Google homepage. While any browser works, I recommend Google Chrome for the smoothest experience. Once you're there, look for the account icon in the top right corner. This icon may display your profile picture or just a letter if you haven't set an image yet. Click on it and a menu will drop down. From the options, select Manage your Google account. This takes you to the main settings page where you can control every aspect of your Google account, from personal info to security settings. Once in the Google account settings, navigate to the Personal Info tab on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see all your details, including your name, email, phone number, and other connected info. Focus on the section labeled Name and click it. Google may ask you to enter your password again for security purposes, which helps protect your account from unauthorized changes. After verification, you'll be taken to a page where you can edit your display name, click on your current name, and you'll see fields for your first and last names. Enter your new preferred names carefully, as this is how you'll appear across all Google services, including Gmail, YouTube, and Google Drive. Make sure the spelling is correct, since frequent changes in a short period can cause delays or errors in reflecting the new name across services. Once you've entered the desired name, click the Save button. The change may take a few moments to propagate across all Google platforms, so don't be concerned if it's not instant. After saving, your new name will appear whenever you send emails, leave comments, or interact with other Google services, giving your account a refreshed and updated identity. Changing your Gmail or Google account name is not only simple, but also helps you maintain consistency across all your online interactions. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who wants to keep your digital presence up to date, following these steps ensures a smooth process. And there you have it. By following this guide, you can quickly update your Gmail ID or Google account name, keeping your information accurate and reflective of your current preferences. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more helpful tech tips and tricks. Take control of your Google account today and enjoy the freedom of customizing your digital identity with ease. Happy name changing.